Hey everyone, welcome back to Atif Official. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a phone that was supposed to redefine Ultra. But instead, it's left fans divided. Let's break down what went wrong. Are you happy with the S25 Ultra? Yes, no. Chapter 2. What's missing? Footage of S25 Ultra's design, zoomed-in shots of hardware. Voiceover. First up, let's talk about the missing features. Samsung has made some controversial decisions with this year's model. Key points on screen. No major camera upgrade. Same sensor as last year? No big battery boost. Still stuck at 5000 mAh. Exynos returns. Performance concerns arise. No major AI innovations. Just another incremental update. For a phone labeled Ultra, shouldn't we expect Ultra improvements? Instead, we're seeing minor tweaks that don't justify the premium price tag. 3. Performance and user reactions. And performance? While it's still a powerhouse, it doesn't exactly blow the competition away. On-screen tweets. Flash comments from users. Samsung, what happened? This isn't Ultra anymore. Exynos. Again, seriously? It seems like fans were expecting a game changer, but instead they got, well, more of the same. 4. Should you buy it? So should you buy the S25 Ultra? If you're upgrading from an older model like the S22 Ultra, you might see some benefits. But for S23 Ultra users, the differences are barely noticeable. Alternatives. On-screen, iPhone 10 Pro. Max, better ecosystem and long-term software. Was support Pixel 9 Pro, best AI features at a lower price. S23 Ultra, basically the same phone for cheaper. At this price, you might want to think twice before upgrading. But what do you think? Is the S25 Ultra still worth it? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy.